All right, we're going to go ahead and talk about independent events. This is our last section on probability. Okay, let's talk about what an independent event actually is. Okay, so say I roll dice. Okay, I roll dice twice. Okay, I roll a 1 the first time. Okay, and then I roll a 2 the second time. Okay, now, does the fact that I rolled a 1 that first time I rolled the dice, does that have any effect on the second time I roll the dice? Okay? Does it make it more likely that I'm going to roll a 1 again or a 2 again? No. Okay? These are two complete separate things. What one does has absolutely no effect on what the other one does. Okay? So those are considered independent. Okay? So let's go ahead and do the dice. Okay? And the question is, what is the probability that if I roll the dice twice, that I will roll 2s both times? Okay, so with the independent events, so we just have to, I'm going to roll the dice twice. I'm going to roll it once, then I'm going to roll it twice. Okay, so the question was, what is the probability I'm going to roll a 2? Well, what's the probability the first time I roll it? What's the probability I roll a 2? Well, that's one side of a 6-sided dice, so that I have a 1 out of 6 chance of rolling a 2. Okay, now for the second time I rolled the dice, what is the probability that I'm going to roll a 2 again? Well, has it changed at all from the first time? No, I'm still rolling the dice. I have an equally likely chance of rolling a 2 the second time, which is a 1 out of 6 chance. Okay, now the combined, what is the probability that both of these events happen? What I need to do is I do the probability of the first event happening, the probability of the second event happening, and then I multiply them, and so I get 1 out of 36. So I have a 1 out of 36 chance that I'm going to roll a 2 both times. All right, let's try something a little different. All right, I've kind of been stuck on dice. Let's go to, I'm going to flip a coin. All right, I'm going to flip a coin. What is the chances that I'm going to flip a heads both times? Well, I'm going to do it twice. So I got my first time and my second time. Okay, what's the probability that I'm going to roll a heads the first time? Well, or not spin. Well, a coin has two faces, so there's two outcomes, and a head is one of them. So I've got a 1 out of 2 chance that I'm going to roll a head the first time, or spin a head, or flip a head, whatever you do to a coin. And then the second time I flip the coin, what are the chances I'm going to roll a head, spin a head? Oh my gosh. Get a head. All right. I got a 1 out of 2 chance. All right. So these are the likelihood of each event. Again, these are independent. The fact that I roll a head the first time has absolutely no bearing or has no effect as to my chances of rolling a head again, spinning a head. Oh my gosh. Anyways. So once I do the two things, then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. So the probability that I'm going to flip a head both times is a 1 out of 4 chance. All right, so that is independent events. You just figure out the likelihood of each thing happening, which will be in fraction form, and then you just multiply across, and that'll give you the likelihood or the probability of them happening together. All right, so good luck with that.